Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on PC. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my browser and search for the official CapCut, or just type download CapCut, right? So basically what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the official CapCut website. And as you can see, you will be able to see, you can have three options. You can sign up for free on the website, or you can edit online if you wanted to, or download for Windows. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit download for Windows, and they will generate a link, or they will generate a file that will be downloaded on my, basically on my, right here on my downloads. And basically I'm gonna be able to save it to whatever place that I want, and then basically you can set it up by just adding the exact place that you want for your CapCut. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, and don't forget to leave me that comment down below if this video if you like this video.